Hi, my name's Blues and I'm going to demonstrate how to use the microwave and convection oven. Now first off, if you're going to use microwave, hit microwave, set the power level and press confirm. Then use the wheel to dial in whatever time you want and then press start again. And there you go. Now to use convection, press convection, set your temperature, and then press start and confirm. Now the idea is you have to wait for it to preheat until all these light up, and then it will make a sound, and then you open it. Yeah. Now that we've heard the alert, you open your oven, put your food in, close the door, and now if you turn the dial, you'll be able to set whatever time you need, and then you just hit start again, and then the countdown starts. And that's how you use your microwave and oven.
Any more comments?
Should have read your manual.